Okay, so in the Kansas City area, we are expecting a major event with this storm system. And you could start out as freezing rain briefly before transitioning to snow, but there will be heavy snowfall at times, and this is expected to be a plowable snowfall event. So precipitation looks like it will start tomorrow evening and then extend into the later evening hours on Sunday, with the heaviest precipitation falling between the early morning hours of Sunday and the early afternoon hours on Sunday. This is also important too. Next crossing of these road temperatures below 32 is expected at 6:40 p.m. this evening, and then they are not expected to cross back above 32 for the next 72 hours and likely beyond, with some Arctic air coming in after that. So anything that falls is likely going to stick fairly instantly with the cold road surface temperatures, and we do see a minimum grip throughout the event at 0.1, which is very, very low, meaning poor road conditions. Looking at the snow event that was issued, we have a maximum snow depth, and you can see some of the pink. Some mixed precipitation will likely happen at some point. Max snow depth for all of these locations is expected to be almost 7 inches. Now remember, this is snow depth focused on the roadway. So that factors in traffic, that factors in road temps, that factors in a number of different things. If we look at the snow that's expected to fall from our model, we're talking maybe almost a foot of snow here. So like I said, a very impactful event for the Kansas City area, especially because you all haven't really seen too many impactful events in the recent past. So we've got the radar layer flipped on. Let's go into the evening hours tomorrow, and you can start to see that precipitation moving in. And again, it might be in the form of freezing rain or sleet or some kind of wintry mix in the beginning, but will eventually transition to all snowfall as we continue into the day on Sunday with that cold air filtering in. So looking at one of these locations, you can see all this red means I have the grip layer chosen right now. All this red means very poor road conditions. And looking at the precipitation here, we can see snow depth at this location of over 4 inches. So I said max is 7 at one of these locations, but over 4 is still plowable snow. And it could potentially be even more depending on how road temperatures evolve throughout the event. But snow intensities at approaching 1 inch an hour at some point, so heavy snowfall. And then looking at those road temperatures, we do climb slightly above freezing right as the snow or the precip begins falling, but then we do drop off as the snow or as the precip transitions to snow, gets heavier, and then going into Monday morning fall all the way down into the single digits here. So an impactful event for the Kansas City area and many of you across the U.S. For this storm system. I'll try to make another video update this weekend in a different region to give you a sense of what will happen across portions of the Ohio Valley and Mid-Atlantic as well.